How to turn on or turn off text call for phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. In here, tap on the More button at the top. Then tap on Settings. Next, from Call Settings, tap on Text Call. In here at the top, tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. In here, when you turn it on, your phone can also automatically answer calls without saying a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they are calling. You will see what they say in a text chat. Then you can type or tap responses that will be read aloud to the caller. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.